baby, what happened? Why are you crying and what happened to your knee?
Mama, I was playing with my friends and after some time I fell down and got hurt.
Oh, don't cry. You have to be strong.
But Mama, it hurts very bad.
Oh, don't worry, baby. It's just a small wound and it will be fine within a minute. Let me give you first aid.
Mama, what is first aid?
Beta, first aid is an emergency care which we can give to any person who is hurt, either with major or minor injury, but before arrival of a doctor. And as I told you that this is a small cut, so we can treat this in home with the help of our first aid kit. So let me bring our first aid kit and then it will be fine.
Okay. Mama, thank you so much for giving me this first aid. My knee is feeling much better now.
That's good. I'm so happy to hear that.
And Mama, will you please teach me how to make this first aid kit?
Oh, you want to learn about first aid kit?
Yes, Mama.
Okay, so I'll teach you how to make first aid kit.
Okay.
Hey children, are you excited for today's craft? Because I'm so excited that I'm making my first aid box with my students. So as you can see, baby, there are few items on my table. And these items are very important for our first aid box. So the items are following. Box, any box will work. You can use shoe box, you can use any plastic box. In fact, you can use any medicine box. See, I'm using my phone box. And you need few white sheets. You need red bright chart paper. You need Fevicol, paper scissors, scale and brush. So let's begin with the craft. So first of all, I'm gonna put Fevicol on my box. And after that, I'm gonna spread my Fevicol evenly on my box. After spreading my Fevicol, I'm gonna paste one white sheet on my box. See? And then, can you see this part and this part? I'm gonna paste this part also. So again, I'm gonna use and I'm put the Fevicol here, and then I'm gonna press it. And then this side also. I need to spread my Fevicol here. I need to cover my box with white sheet or with white chart paper. I'm very much enjoying my craft. Are you also? Yes? See, my box is almost ready. And now I'm going to use my red sheet. I need to make few standing lines also. Babies, you can ask your mama or papa. I'm sure they will help you in this. You need to make few standing lines, straight standing lines. Standing line, standing line. And now this part is so fun. You need to cut these stripes. This paper cutting activity is very important because this will help you to improve your fine motors. One, and two strips. See, And now I'm going to paste my strip on the upper side of my box. But babies, can you tell me the shape of this box? Which shape is this? This is rectangle. Okay? So I'm going to paste my strips here. And I will cut the extra part. One more time, we need to press it. Now, this side. Again, press it. Then this side of the box. Again, I will cut the extra part. And I will paste my last strip here. Wow, now look at my box. Isn't it looking beautiful? Yes, and now, one more time. We need to press it. And babies, now we need to make a cross, as the red cross is a symbol of all the hospitals, and you must have seen these crosses all over the hospitals. Okay, so I'm gonna paste my cross in the center part of my first aid kit. So see, my first aid box is ready. And now I'm gonna keep all my medicines inside my first aid box. So now let me open this. And now I'm going to keep all my medicines inside my first aid box. So these are my tablets. What is this? This is a thermometer. I'm going to keep my thermometer here. This is a band-aid. And this is my eye drop. And this is my antiseptic cream. And there are a few other tablets also. And this is my ear drop. And this is my bandage. So I'm going to keep everything inside my box, and then I'm gonna close my box. And see, now my first aid box is ready to use. See, it is so easy to make a first aid box. So that's all for today, and I hope you like this activity. And now it's your time to make your first aid box, and then click a photograph and send it to your teachers. Bye-bye.
Hey children, now it's time for quick revision. So quickly go and bring your EVS workbooks and take out your page number 29. So babies, can you see there are few pictures on our page? And in the first picture, there is a boy and he is playing with a knife. Babies, now you tell me, are we supposed to play with knife or any other sharp object? Yes, you're right. The answer is no. And look at the second picture. There is a boy and he is cutting a paper with paper scissors. I think we can do this, but in the supervision of our mama and papa. Now come to the next picture and see, there is a girl and she's putting her fingers into the socket. Babies, this is so dangerous. We are not supposed to do this because this might give us electric shock. Now come to the next picture, and in this picture there is a boy and see, he latched himself inside a room. Babies, never ever try to do this, okay? This could be very harmful for you. Now come to the next picture, and in this picture there is a boy. He's playing with a matchbox. He's playing with the fire. Babies, again, I have already discussed this in my video that we are not supposed to play with these objects, and fire could be very, very dangerous for us. Okay, because our house might caught the fire, so you are not supposed to do this. And then come to the last picture, and in the last picture there is a boy, and can you see, there is a stranger, and the stranger wants to enter our house. So are we supposed to open the door for any stranger? The answer is no, we shouldn't. Okay, so never ever try to open your door for any other person. Okay, in fact, never ever try to take anything like toffee, chocolate, ice cream, because these strangers could be very harmful for us. So now it's your time. You need to revise this chapter with your mama or papa. So bye bye for today, babies. Bye bye. Stay safe and have fun.